Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How To's with Romona. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips for you to begin creating your business website. Step 1, visit a domain registrar website like GoDaddy and purchase your domain name. Make sure you choose the name of your business, such as yourbusiness.com, or the name of your personal brand, yourname.com. Just make sure your domain name is consistent with your brand. Step 2, you will need hosting in order for you or your web designer to begin working on your website. Visit a web hosting website like GoDaddy to purchase managed WordPress hosting. Whatever website you go to, just make sure you use the same hosting company where you bought your domain name. This will make the process go smoother. Also, make sure the hosting comes with an SSL certificate. If it does not, be sure to purchase an SSL certificate as well. This will ensure your website is secure. As a side note, there are different types of hosting, but I recommend WordPress. That's my preference. Step 3, after you purchase WordPress hosting, choose your WordPress theme. There are many places online where you can purchase a WordPress theme, but ThemeForest is one of the most popular places to get one. Do not allow your web designer to choose your theme for you, as you want to be sure it is in line with your mission, your vision, and your brand. What they envision for you most likely is what is easiest for them, usually a theme they use for every one of their clients. Here's how to do an effective search on ThemeForest. In the search bar, search for your industry, such as fitness in WordPress, personal brand in WordPress, daycare in WordPress, e-commerce in WordPress, whatever your niche or industry is. Scroll down and look through the themes. As you're scrolling, be sure to check out the number of stars each theme has, as you will want to choose a theme that has at least 4 stars. Check to see when the theme was last updated, as you will want a theme that has been at least updated within the last 6 months. Next, you'll want to click on Live Preview to check out the theme to see if it's a good fit for you. Go back to the page where the themes are listed. Click on the theme image. Here you'll find all the details about the theme. You may also do a live preview here as well. After you've done the live preview, you can click on the Reviews tab to actually read the reviews. You want to make sure that the theme offers support. And finally, check out the comments to see how the theme developer interacts with people when they ask questions. Do not buy the theme if they are unhelpful or unkind in their responses. Step 4, put together the content that will go on your website. Now that you have your theme, use it as a guide for the names of your web pages. For example, home, about, services, products, blog, and a contact page. Then open up a Google Doc, a Word document, or a notepad and lay out each page as you envision them. Add the home page content, the about page content, the products, the blog, the contact information, add images and videos as well. Be sure to do the same for each page. Step 5, choose the keywords for your website. WordPress is so powerful because it allows you to optimize your website for search engines by using keywords, tags, and categories. Write up a list of keywords for yourself or to give to your web designer. The keywords should be words or phrases that people will use to find what you are offering. If your web designer claims they do SEO or search engine optimization, they should be able to help you find your most relevant keywords. If they claim they do SEO and can't help you with this, then don't pay them for SEO services. So that's it. If you have further questions, all the links to purchase what you need for your website are in the description below. I've also included a link to a more in-depth website tutorial playlist pinned in the comments below. Once again, this is Romona from Social Media How To's with Romona. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you will receive notifications each time I post a new video. And with that, I want to say have an amazing day.